Listen, if you are looking for literally the best platform, especially whenever it comes to tight spreads, quick executions, then StoicFX, this is for you. I'm telling you guys right now, super easy and simple to get yourself started. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are back at it again. We got what is known as StoicFX. We're talking about trade with confidence on StoicFX. And technically, you guys, you're going to have access to global markets. You can experience top tier execution and grow your trading skills with a partner you can trust. Unless you guys, when they talk about top tier execution, we are talking about very tight spreads, which is very important nowadays, right? So diving right into it, you guys will actually see it right here: competitive trading conditions, trusted and transparent. Not only that, we got new generation technology, okay? And you guys will even see we got education and support, all right, which is actually really good. Scrolling down, why would you want to be part of StoicFX? I mean, that's kind of a good question. As mentioned, literally, you guys will see it right here. We got a lot of different things, okay? So obviously, we got like that new generation trading technology. So it's built on state-of-the-art platforms, okay? Offering real-time charting, technical indicators, and automated trading tools. And over here, we got education and support. So a commitment to trader growth. Obviously, this is at the heart of StoicFX with free tutorials, webinars, and detailed trading guides. I like that. Over here, we got competitive trading conditions. So competitive trading environment delivers low spreads and fast, swift execution across major forex pairs and CFDs, basically ensuring you enjoy tight pricing and reliable order fulfillment. And obviously we got trusted and transparency, right? So with straightforward structures that eliminate hidden charges. So what you see is always what you pay, okay? Scrolling down, you guys will see right here, we got market access. So we got forex, which obviously this is top of the line, obviously, right? You guys will see over here, we got indices and commodities, okay, which is actually pretty cool. So top global indices like S&P 500, FTSE 100, and DAX, or diversify with commodities such as gold, silver, and oil. And we got cryptocurrencies, seize opportunities in the growing digital asset space by trading popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you guys, you actually get 24/7 market access. Scrolling down, we got 8 powerful benefits of trading with StoicFX. Ultra competitive spreads. And we got fast and reliable execution. We got wide range of markets. We got secure and compliant environment. We got user-friendly platforms and tools. We have easy deposits and withdrawals. So we have a $10 minimum deposit and $20 minimum withdrawal. And we've got dedicated education and support and flexible account types and leverage. I like that. I like that a lot. Another perfect example is going to be MetaTrader. So we're talking about MT5. This is top of the line. So user-friendly interface, ideal for both beginners and pros, automated trading, easily implement expert advisors, and we even have advanced charting. Okay, we got web trader as well, so no downloads required. We got real-time market data, which is good as well. And after that, we got mobile app. Okay, I always love platforms that have mobile apps, okay, especially for trading or investing. So here's what others love about StoicFX. So a lot of reviews here, which is actually really cool. Customer support, always there for you 24/7. Take a look here at the very top. You guys will see that we have all these different sections, right? We got Stoic philosophy. We got notable Stoics. We got Stoicism plus trading. And we got the Stoic trading plan. And we got liquidity, okay? We got affiliate, and then we even have trading. So platforms. Once again, we got the MT5, and we even have what is known as web trader. Over here, we got copy trade. So not only do they have copy trade, but they even have PAM accounts, okay, which is actually pretty cool. So click in here for platforms. I mean, you guys need to understand, I mean, they got a lot of things to offer as mentioned, right? So you can just kind of dive right into this, okay? So start trading your way from anywhere in the world. So you can actually go ahead and do the easy download here of the MT5, which is awesome. And once again, if we go over here, we can actually go to the web trader, and you guys will see that it kind of pops up as well, right? So they provide all the information, okay? So you can do everything directly here in the browser, right? And after that, as mentioned, we got copy trade, which is very important as well. Start copy trading, okay? So copy trader, strategy provider, I mean, this is great. And then finally, you guys will see we have the PAM, invest with clarity, prosper with discipline. I like that. This is awesome, guys. Big opportunity here. Now, if you guys would like to get started, go over here, click this. Obviously, it says get started, all right, or getting started. And what you're gonna need to do is put in your email, password, first name, last name. We have phone number, and then we even have a country. Okay, so you guys, you're gonna be able to easily get yourselves going and get yourselves rolling. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, an awesome platform that provides a lot of opportunity, regardless if you are a trader, or let's say you are a swing trader, day trader, long-term investor. StoicFX, it is for you. Guys, I have seen nothing better than this. So check out the links down below. They're going to be in the description. Make sure that you leave a comment and tell me, are you going to be trying out? What do you think? More importantly, smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.